So beneficiary forms, that's the next thing we're going to talk about. Reviewing your beneficiary designations is a critical part in your overall estate planning process. It ensures that if you're talking about life insurance and other retirement plan proceeds are given to people or organizations that you want them to go to after you die. It only takes a few minutes to make sure your designations match your current wishes. Now, what are the dangers of out of date beneficiary designations? Let me tell you, beneficiary forms trump last will and testaments in court. So those assets, with assets to, let me rephrase that. So those with assets to pass on to their heirs should regularly update them. The nightmare scenario that I mention quite often is the case where, husband leaves, or husband has $1 million life insurance policy and names his first wife as the 100% beneficiary. He divorces, remarries, does not update that life insurance policy. When he dies, guess who gets the $1 million? Wife number one. Wife number two is left holding nothing. She's dust, lint. She's got nothing. And there's nothing she can do about it because that beneficiary designation, it's a contractual agreement between you, the deceased now, and the life insurance company. And they are simply following what you instructed them to do. So it's a horrible situation, not one that, people want to do, have happen to their surviving spouse. But it does happen, and it happens quite often because people forget, life gets in the way. And that is one thing that I remind my clients to do, over and over and over again, is review those beneficiary designations. So the other danger of having out of date beneficiary designations is, when administrators, not plan administrators, but like when a system changes, maybe a computer system changes that the insurance company or bank uses, that could have an unintended effect for some strange reason. I'm not a techie, but things do happen. So that yet is another reason to check your beneficiary list regularly. Even if you think that nothing needs to change, just every couple of years or so, just lay eyes on those designations. And like anything, naming a beneficiary can come with an unexpected cost if you name an irresponsible minor, or just a minor, period. You should not be naming minors as beneficiaries to life insurance or other policies, because they are not legally able, they don't have the capacity under the law to receive, to take ownership of such an asset until they become an adult. And what that age is will depend on your particular state.